Hello guys, my name is Adam. Need a quick summaries for documents or emails? Gemini 2.0 makes it effortless. Let me show you how you do it. So you can go ahead to your browser, right? And you can click that Gemini title at the top and choose that 2.0. Again, Gemini 2.0 is experimental, so possibly you can expect a lot of mistakes. Now, if you want to summarize a document or email, you can just go back and go to your documents that you want to summarize, right? Let's say, for example, you have a document, right? Let's say, for example, I want to summarize this file, right? So let's have, for example, this file or this file, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I can just go ahead to Gemini, and here you're gonna see photo next to it at the bottom left. You can click choose file, right? And then select your file that you want to summarize, and then forward it to just type summarize, right? Summarize this document, right? Or you can hit enter and just summarize your document, or you can just summarize the email, right? Email. And I'm gonna show you a demonstration. Go back to your screen. If you have an email from your Gmail or mail on your iOS, you could go ahead to your email and just copy the article in length, and then just go back to your screen, and then go to your browser, and then just type right here the email, paste the link, basically the email, and then hit enter. And as you can see, they summarized that email with just few seconds, right? With Gemini 2.0, staying informed is faster and smarter. Start summarizing today and save valuable time. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.